Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some very cheap P&G products doing this curbside. And I know a lot of you prefer to shop this way than going into the store. So we're going to really tackle the 15 back when you spend 45 and how that booster works and so on and so forth. And we have various deals to go with that. What is curbside for all the new shoppers? You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to go in store, get your paper register rewards rocking and rolling for you, watch yesterday's video where I have various deals. I go through the week's deals with register rewards because curbside, there are no register rewards, but in store, there is. So remember that, guys. I won't be covering this one in this video because I think honestly there's a register reward that you can get back for buying $20 of P&G body wash. If you have a paper booster to go with it, it's a better deal than doing it online. The spend 45 to earn back 15 is a far superior deal. And with the Olay skincare, a lot of you are like, well, where's that deal? I think the highest value coupon we have is $2. So I'm also taking a pass on that because it's not a good deal. Now in this video, this is the booster that we're discussing, a spend 45 on P&G items to earn back $15 in Walgreens cash. This is online only. Please pay attention, and you can do this once per store card. Alternatively, in store, there is a spend 30 to earn back 10 on P&G items, but you have to look for items that are in fact tagged. If you're just going off by the app, in store and the app are two different things. It might not qualify for the same, so please pay attention to that. Okay, if you guys could please do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at. So deal number one, we need our best friend loaded. This is also of a one-time use. Please pick wisely which deal you prefer to do as a curbside pickup. And if you do not like what I'm selecting, look for items that have the spend 45 to earn back 15 on the top there. And if it's itemized, you are in business. First item we're going to grab is this $31.99 Gillette women's refill. It's an 8 count, I believe. And we have a $10 and a $6. This is a $6 store coupon. We've already factored in to get to 45 though. We're not going to run it at 45 and use a $6 store coupon or you would be short. And this is a manufacturer, which is a 10 off. And we are also going to grab 2 of these Gillette shave creams, and we have $3 off coupons for both. And they're on a buy one, get one 50% off, and they're also part of the promotion. So this times 2. So yeah, isn't that wonderful? Some very cheap shaving cream. And then we're going to grab one of these larger Tides for $12.99, and we have a $3 digital for this guy. So make sure you have this one loaded. Now to get the math to really balance, I have to add some Dawn dish soap. So I'm just going to go with the smallest one that is also part of the promotion. And $1.98 for 2 of these Dawn dish soaps, which is a P&G soap. Just to show you our Magic Chorus line, 3-6 with the code STARS20. See how it's STARS? It's not star 20. You need that extra S or it's not going to work. $6.65 melting off. The Venus coupon for 10, and then the 2 $3 shaving creams. So make sure you have all of those loaded and make sure you put in the correct coupon code, and that's 20% off of a 50. So my total here is $58.19 with all of the instant savings and stars 20. Our total is still at $45.54 if you subtract the top from $12.65. Free curbside pickup, tax, and $19 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $29.27 as it's a spend 45 to earn back 15, and you're getting back 15. So not factoring in the tax, this is a very smart deal. It's like $15 for that basket of magic, not too shabby. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. Again, you need your best friend loaded. Spend 45 on P&G, earn back 15. So this is just an alternative deal. For this one, I really wanted to go hard specifically with feminine care because this is an item we don't really get a ton of deals on. So I thought, hey, let's try this. And we have very valuable coupons for both the Tampax and the Always. So I grabbed a box of each, and these are also part of the promotion of spend 45 to earn back 15. Why not? Load this $3 and $4 if you might have both. We're going to grab a much larger Tide, the 80 loader for $15.99, original price $21.99, and that $3 coupon is still attaching, so make sure you have our friend loaded for this deal. And then to round out the basket, we're also going to throw in 3 of these crests for $4 each, so that's $12. Unfortunately, the one for $3.50 were out of stock where I was trying to shop. And we have this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. And just to show you, we're also going to have to throw in one of these Dons to get the math to completely balance because it's a little off. We need the math exactly at $45. So $4, $5, $3, $3, stars 15 for $4.20 off. Even when I tried to get this basket right to 50, I couldn't use stars 20. It was really weird, but stars 15 would work. So $49.96, $4.20 melting off. I mean, if you guys want to try and add something else to the basket, by all means, but I could not get stars 20 last night to work. So our total here is $45.76, $15 in manufacturer's melting off. So without tax, you're paying like $30 and you're getting back $15. So it makes your basket $15. Not a bad one. Okay, the next basket that we're looking at is basket number 3, and we again need our friend loaded, and we're just going to take this in a different avenue. If you are really into these Venus razors and you need refills all the time, this is the basket for you. You're going to throw 2 of these in for $63.98. Now, both of these razors have $10 manufacturers, so that's why we're going in with it. And then we also have $6 of savings on each with the store coupon. So we're just going to go exceptionally heavy-handed with this one product. And this is the $6 store coupon. It'll attach to both, so you're going to get $12 off. And then a lot of us got 2 of these $10 ones, so that'll be $20 melting off as well. So I think you can see where I'm going with this one. And if you really want to stock up, it's not a bad price point. So our store coupons coming off for $12, a $10, and a $10 for 2 manufacturers, and then $6.40 melting off with whatever reason, save 20 applied here because I think it was a $60 basket. So $6.40 melting off. The overall total is $63.98, and we have $18.40 in coupon codes and Walgreens coupons. The total is still $45.58, so you're still achieving your spend 45 to earn back 15. $20 in manufacturers melting off. With the tax, you'll pay $28.31 and get back 15. This is called not bad. Okay, the last one that we have prepared for you is deal number 4. Again, you need your best friend loaded. Spend 45 to earn back 15. This one anyone can do because there's no only for you coupons. We have a Tide Pod, the big one for $12.99, and then a liquid for $12.99. For both of these items, we have $3 digitals, so make sure you have both of them loaded. Toss in a Downy scent bead for $15.99. Again, there's a $3 digital, and one of these bounce dryer sheets for $13.49, and there's a $2 digital. This is the one that's attaching to the Unstoppables. It's a 3 off, even though it doesn't have the photo, but it's attaching. And then the 2 off for the dryer sheets. And then just to show you, $3, $8.90 coming off with stars 20. Don't forget the S. $2, $3, $3. The overall total is $55.46. Subtracting $8.90. Still at your $45 threshold, $11 in manufacturers melting off. So you'll pay $38.35 with tax with your debit card, as it's a spend 45 to earn back 15, and you're getting back $15. A lot of meat and potato products in this basket. Go and make it happen, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.